What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video I'm going to open that Walthers SD60M locomotive with factory decoder installed. It's ASU right here. And we'll see what options I have. It has internal short, I believe. With my lens system, it just tells me error 001, and I try to read decoder with ASU programmer. It's just not detecting anything, but it kind of start talking to it. I can hear like different frequencies. Anyway, so factory installed decoder ASU. It's a custom decoder. They saying you cannot change sound files. Read the manual. You can laugh. But lately I'm reading manuals. You cannot change sounds. You can only adjust some parameters with just changing CV with your digital system or JMRI. Pretty good. So I already did a quick prepare, so not wasting your time. Here we go. You first take those screws from the coupler box. Okay, these guys going to the metal. See, they have like that thread, and those two, I'll show you, going to the plastic. So when you're installing it back, putting all together, just be careful with these guys. All right, so let's move it here, and let's open it real quick. So no more screws here in coupler, and two screws I show you. Let me see. They are, I think, in the back. Yes, so just look here. That's one, and this is on the other side. Right, just right there. Yeah. You don't need to remove fuel tank, but just be careful with those small details. And there is, right here, there is like a small pipe. Should be no problem. Carefully pulling like equally each side. So I'm doing special exercises for my fingers, yeah, to grab it. Just be careful. Yeah, something like that. All right, so two plastic screws going right there. Okay. So that's an issue. Also, I will probably, no, I definitely replace that electrical tape with Kapton tape. I think it's too thick, especially right here. It's kind of catching the body. And lately, that kind of sticky thing just disintegrated, and it's not working very well. So that's the decoder. Option one, the speaker should be fine. I'm replacing this with version 5 if the board okay, and I believe nothing wrong with the board, or I'm replacing with ASU board with power pack. So I'm just going solder straight all those wires, 2 for pickups, actually will be 4, 2 for the speaker, and 4 for the lights. Here we go. Let me know if you have any questions about it. I can make part 2, what I'm doing with this, and I will probably do. Thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting business. I'm still working on the website, and if you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.